Well, we're back for another video. Now, recently I had a subscriber slash fan slash friend down for about a week to help me out with Land Rover repairs and all the rest. In lieu of his payment, we actually sent him out and we drove around in Land Rovers for a while. And this is the first time I've ever had both Land Rovers out at the same time because I generally don't have a second driver with me. So we went out and had a bit of a hoon around in Land Rovers and just enjoyed being out in the bush. So here's a little bit of a video of it all happening as promised. And along the way, I think I busted a tyre on the trailer and all the rest. So I'll pretty much not narrate most of this. It's just going to be a little bit of nice driving montage stuff. I hope you find it interesting, and it's something for the Land Rover nuts out there as well that enjoy watching me do what I do with Land Rovers. So we'll see you at the end of the video.
somewhere along the track I found a stump, because the track of the trailer is a little bit wider. We dented this bit and then we completely screwed the rim. So we're going to put the spare on and avoid stumps for a little bit. We might be taking the wider track out, I think. In any case, all roads lead to Rome. Change the tyre and see how we go. And we got help this time. We've got a good camera angle. Yeah, what size socket do we need?
Fortunately, I'm hoping that we ended up getting stuck. I mean, we got to survive back and get he's
going to end up bloody.
Like,
yep. Definitely the advantage of having extra hands. So we pulled up for lunch, one tyre down, got a few spares I guess, but I guess not if we want to go home. In any case, we're going to stop and have lunch for a bit, maybe do a couple of repairs to camp, I don't know what happens. And our toilet tree, this tree we used to have the toilet behind, has fallen over. That was eventually going to happen. The one that was going to crush the camp fell the other way, so that's lucky.
I say there's been damage to the Royal Dalton.
Yeah. Anyway, let's have some food. So I'm just doing post-incident walk around. And yeah, definitely rolled that rim in. The tyre looks pretty right. I think I just compromised the bead. But they're not too expensive. I'll get another one of them. I'll probably get another two. The other rim was getting a little rusty anyhow, so a pair of newies probably wouldn't hurt. And I'll have a second spare. Now, I've got to work out how I'm getting out of here, whether I'm going to reverse this thing around or whether I'm going to unhitch, and how I'm going to deal with it, I don't know yet. see. Yep, you're good. Yep. Yeah, get the past. That'll do. Close enough.